mouth-watering reality.
Bigyan naman natin ng 5 taas ang Mercado PH!
Sure! Sure!
Thank you very much. So, handa na ba kayong magdiwang? Handa na ba kayong sumayaw? Kumain, tumawa at magkaisa? Parang ang hina ng response. Kayo naman mga kababayan. Handa na ba kayo? Yes! Alright!
Once again, mga kababayan, let's begin our program with pride, gratitude, and unity.
Yes!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please all rise and stand up for singing our Philippine National Anthem, Lupang Hinirang.